Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi A3 radio. To begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need 4 specific radio removal keys, which are crucial for this task. A plastic trim removal tool is also highly recommended to protect your dashboard from scratches. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver can assist with various clips. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and prevent any unnecessary damage to your vehicle's interior. Once you have your tools, the next step is to prepare the radio for removal. Look closely at the corners of your Audi A3 radio face. You'll see 4 small, narrow slots. Carefully insert one radio removal key into each of these 4 slots. Push each key firmly until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the key has engaged the internal locking mechanism, releasing the radio from its housing. With all 4 keys securely in place and clicked, you can now begin to extract the radio unit. Gently pull the 4 keys outwards, away from the center of the radio. While maintaining this outward pressure on all keys, carefully slide the entire radio unit forward and out of the dashboard. Take your time and avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the radio or the surrounding trim. The unit should slide out smoothly. After the radio unit is pulled out, you'll see several electrical connectors and an antenna cable attached to its rear. Carefully press the release tabs on each connector and gently pull them away from the radio. Do the same for the antenna cable. Once all connections are free, the radio is completely removed. If you're not immediately reinstalling a new unit, store the old radio in a safe, dry place to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.